Hi Clevermess creators, welcome to our tutorial on how to make your very own reusable beeswax wrap. The first thing you'll need to do is to pop the oven on to a medium to high heat and find a baking tray. Next you'll need to grate your beeswax. Creators, you are so capable, you can absolutely do this. Your adult is there to help and guide you. Your grater is sharp, so watch what your hands are doing, and if it's a bit tricky, ask your adult for help. When you've grated about half of your beeswax, place your fabric onto the tray and sprinkle the wax over the top. Aim to sprinkle it evenly, but don't worry too much because it will spread out itself when it melts in the oven. Now place the tray in the oven and stay close by. The beeswax will melt within a few minutes and you don't want it to burn. While you wait, have a look through the oven window to see what's happening. After about 5 minutes, take the tray out of the oven and quickly but carefully use a fork to pry the fabric off the tray. Pick it up with your fingers and gently wave it in the air to dry. And that's it! Your beeswax wrap is now ready to be used. By using your beeswax wrap to keep your food fresh instead of plastic wrap, you are making an impact. Our earth and its plants and animals are so thankful. Have a look at the activity card that came with your box for care and storage instructions, and follow us on Instagram to see all of our other eco-educational activities.